Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide for FISH Roblox. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know to get started on your fishing adventure. First things first, let's get you set up. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your FISH Roblox account. Next, let's understand the gameplay mechanics. We'll cover controls and key features that will help you excel. Time to explore the beautiful world of FISH. Familiarize yourself with the map layout and discover key locations. Gathering resources is essential. Here are some tips for efficient gathering and crafting. Let's talk about leveling up. Learn how to earn experience points and progress in FISH. Here are some winning strategies for fishing that will help you catch the biggest fish. Engage with the community. Discover how to join groups and participate in exciting events. Avoiding pitfalls can enhance your gaming experience. Let's discuss some common mistakes beginners make. You're now ready to dive into your fish adventure. Remember these tips, and most importantly, have fun.